Hello everyone, I'm creating this video to help young primary school students to learn 12 times table. Let's go through the 12 times table together. Right, I'll just open up my calculator on the phone. We'll start off with 0 until 12. Okay, basically if you have 0 multiplied by a number, any number, you'll get a 0. So it doesn't matter if it's 0 multiplied by, we can carry on 2, 3, 4 until 12, you'll still get a 0. That is to start off. Then the next one will be 1. If you multiply a 1 by any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., you'll get the number itself, like 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, etc. until 1 times 12. 1 times 12 is 12. Okay, so let's carry on. We'll carry on to until 12. So the next one will be 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. Right, now let's go to 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 10 is 30. And 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. Let's go on to 4 times table. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. 4 multiplied by 11 is 44. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. Let's go to 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, let's go to 6 times table. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. 6 times 12 is 72. Right, let's go on to 7 times table. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. 7 times 12 is 84. That's it. Let's go to 8 times 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 84. Let's go to 9 times table. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 11 is 99. And 9 times 12 is 108. Let's go to 10 times table. 10 times table is straightforward. 10 times 1 is 10. You just add the 0 to the number that you are multiplying with. So you get 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 11 is 110. 10 times 12 is 120. Now let's do the 11 times table. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3 is 33. It's just, like becomes 2 digit. The same double it up to 10. Of course, 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 12 is 132. And finally 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2. 12 times 2 is 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. 12 times 7 is 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 8 is 96. 12 times 9 is 108. And 12 times 10 is 120. And 12 times 11. 12 times 11 is 132. And finally 12 times 12 is 144. Right, so that's your 12 times table. Next time round, the next video I will practice with you randomly. For example, I will just randomly take one number multiplied by the other, all within the 12 times table. 8 times 9, 72, 5 times 7, 35, something like that, just to practice with you. Right, thank you very much, and this is Edmund Chua signing off right now. Thank you again, bye bye.